Hi guys, I am Nisad, second year medical student at Nepalgan Medical College. In this video, we are going to learn every possible MCQs on Escherichia coli. Let's start the video. These are the set of MCQs which are going to learn today, and the first question is not a member of Enterobacteriaceae families. This question asks which of the following option does not contains the member of Enterobacteriaceae family. The options are Shigella, option B E. coli, option C Salmonella, option D Vibrio cholerae. You can comment the correct answer in the comment section. The correct answer is option number D, that is Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae is not a member of Enterobacteriaceae family. There is given a hint. Actually, it is not a hint but a reminder which you have to remember in exam. Important bacteria of Enterobacteriaceae family. Now let's move on to question number 2. The question number 2 goes like, which is not a feature of Enterobacteriaceae family? We have to say which among the following options do not contain a feature of Enterobacteriaceae family. The options are gram negative, reduced nitrate to nitrite, oxidase positive, and option number D catalase positive. The correct answer is oxidase positive. Enterobacteriaceae family do not have the feature called oxidase positive, meaning it is oxidase negative. There is given hint. In hint we can see the features of Enterobacteriaceae given. The Enterobacteriaceae family is gram negative bacilli. They are glucose fermenting, they are catalase positive and oxidase negative. They reduce nitrate to nitrite, so called nitrate reducers, and they are facultative anaerobes. Now let's move on to question number 3, that is not a lactose fermenter. Which among the following is not a lactose fermenter? We have to very carefully analyze what the question says. It says not, meaning we have to find out which is not a lactose fermenter. The options are A Salmonella, B Klebsiella, C E. coli or Escherichia coli, option D Shigella sonnei. The correct answer is option number A, that is Salmonella. Salmonella is not a lactose fermenter. Now let's move on to question number 4, that says false regarding E. coli. Which of the following option is false regarding E. coli? Option A non-motile, option B gram negative, option C non-sporing, option D non-capsulated. The correct answer is option A non-motile. In fact, E. coli is motile with peritrichous flagella, meaning the E. coli has flagella on its own surface. This is the photo. This is E. coli having a board saying E. coli, and here it has the flagella in its all the body, meaning it has the peritrichous flagella. Now let's move on to another question. IMBIC test for E. coli is. What is IMBIC test for E. coli? Question number 5. Option A positive, 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 all positive. Option number B positive, negative, negative, positive. Option C negative, positive, positive, negative, and finally option number D positive, positive, negative, negative. The correct answer is IMBIC test for E. coli is positive, positive, negative, negative, meaning option number D is the correct answer. Now question number 6, most common cause of diarrhea in children of developing country. We have to very analyze what it says. Most common cause of diarrhea in children in case of developing country is option A EHEC enterohemorrhagic E. coli, ETEC enterotoxigenic E. coli, option C EPEC enteropathogenic E. coli or enteroinvasive E. coli, option number D. The correct answer is option number C, that is EPEC. You can also see the hint. Now let's move on to question number 7. Travelers diarrhea is caused by. Option number A EHEC, option number B ETEC, option number C EPEC, and option number D EIEC. The correct answer is option number B ETEC. We can also remember it as T for travelers diarrhea, and we also have T in ETEC, enterotoxigenic Escherichia coli. You can study the hint. The hint says Enterotoxigenic E. coli produces heat level and heat stable toxin which causes watery diarrhea, also known as traveler's diarrhea. Question number 8. In which strain of E. coli are heat level and heat stable enterotoxins responsible for diarrhea? We just studied the answer. The answer is ETEC. ETEC has both heat level and heat stable toxins causing watery diarrhea. ETEC is the correct answer. Now let's move on to question number 9. Shigella like toxin or verotoxin. This is the same. We can also mention it as a Shigella like toxin or verotoxin. It's produced by option number A ETEC, option number B EHEC, option number C EPEC, and option number D EIEC. The correct answer is option number B, that is enterohemorrhagic E. coli. It produces Shigella like toxin or verotoxin. It is a strain. Strain is also given. EHEC strain O157H7 produces Shigella like toxin in hint. Question number 10. Which of the following is true about enteropathogenic E. coli? The options are A. Causes diarrhea in infants. Option number B. Acts by invasion. Option number C. Adults are most affected. Option number D. Affects immunocompromised individuals. The correct answer is A. Causes infant diarrhea. Now let's move on to question number 11. With reference to infections with E. coli, the following are true except which one is not true is asked in the question. The options are EAEC causes persistent diarrhea, EHEC is associated with hemorrhagic colitis, EPEC causes infantile diarrhea, EIEC causes traveler's diarrhea. We have to mention which one is not correct. As we have studied few minutes ago, traveler's diarrhea is caused by enterotoxigenic E. coli. I have also told you to remember it as TT. So this one is not correct. Enteroinvasive doesn't correct traveler's diarrhea. So the correct answer is option number D. Enterotoxigenic E. coli causes traveler's diarrhea. Let's move on to question number 12. Serotyping is used for the diagnosis of. The correct answer is option number A. Enterohemorrhagic E. coli. Now let's go for question number 13. Traveler's diarrhea. We have already studied A. Shigella, B. E. coli, C. Entamoeba histolytica, D. Giardiasis. Traveler's diarrhea is caused by option number B. E. coli. Which strain? Enterohemorrhagic E. coli is the most common cause. Question number 14. Most common cause of hemolytic uremic syndrome, HUS, hemolytic uremic syndrome in developed countries is by option number A. Enterohemorrhagic E. coli, option number B. Shigella dysentery type A, enterotoxigenic E. coli, option number C, option number D. pneumococcus. Let's study the hint. In developed countries, enterohemorrhagic E. coli serotype O157S7. In developed countries, Shigella dysentery type 1. We have asked in developed country, so we have to be careful. It is asked in developing country or developed country. In developed country, the correct answer is Shigella dysentery type 1 causes hemolytic uremic syndrome, but in case of developing countries, the EHEC causes, meaning enterohemorrhagic E. coli. In this case, we have the correct answer, Shigella dysentery type 1. Let's move on to question number 15. Heat stable toxin of E. coli acts through A. CAMP activation, B. Cyclic GMP activation, C. Inhibition of protein synthesis, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option number B. Cyclic GMP. We have to see the question properly. In question, heat stable toxin is asked, so the correct answer is C. Cyclic GMP. If heat labile toxin had been asked, the correct answer would be cyclic AMP. Now let's move on to next question. Question number 16. Which of the following is not caused by E. coli? Options are gastroenteritis, A. B. Neonatal sepsis, C. UTI, D. Pharyngitis. Pharyngitis is not caused by E. coli. You have to be very careful about that. Pharyngitis is not caused by E. coli. Now let's move on to question number 17. This is the last question of this video. Most common organism causing UTI is Option number A, E. coli. Option number B, Proteus. Option number C, Klebsiella. Option number D, Staphylococci. The correct option is option number A, E. coli. All these organism causes UTI, but we have to write the most common organism, that is E. coli. E. coli contributes the 80% of acute UTIs in non-catheterized individuals. Non-catheterized individuals UTI is majorly caused by E. coli. Thank you for watching the video.